Now in this section we're going to see how to convert text to a table and conversely how to convert a table to text. Now if I click on the show hide icon here, you can see these items here all separated by a tab, so it's using tab spacing to give the appearance of a table. Now I'll take that off for a minute, so quite clearly it's not a table at the moment, it's just text separated by tabs. If I click in front of the S here and drag across to the last element here, I've now selected the entire table. If I go up to the Insert tab here and then click on the down arrow under Tables, all I have to do is use this command. You see it says Convert Text to Table. If I click on that, and you need to check this, so we just drag this, it's basically suggesting you've got 4 columns and 5 rows, so we double check that, that's OK. And you just simply click on OK, and notice it's going to separate at tabs by default. If we click on OK, that now converts it from text to a table, so this is now a Word table. We can of course do this in the opposite direction, so here I've got a table, and if I click within Table Tools and go to where it says Layout, under the Data section here, there's an item that says Convert to Text. If I click on that, it's saying what do you want to separate with. Normally you'd use tabs. You click on OK, and that's now tab spaced, or tab separated. If I click up here, you can see the tabs. So that's how you convert either text to a table or a table to text.